Hello friends, welcome to all of you on my channel IELTS at Home. As we all know, lockdown is going on and everyone is free, especially students who want to go abroad and who want to prepare for IELTS. Now there is a good news. All of you can now prepare for this exam at home with my videos. This is the first video that I have posted. So subscribe my channel for more videos and press the bell icon on your screen. And mainly this video is for the beginners who don't know even the full form of IELTS. So let's start. The full form of IELTS is International English Language Testing System. It has 4 modules: listening, reading, writing and speaking. Let's start with the first module, listening, which is for the 9 bands. The timing for this module is 40 minutes. First 30 minutes audio is played and which is played for once only, and extra 10 minutes are given to the candidate at the end for transferring their answers on their answer sheets. And total number of questions are 40 and 4 sections are available, and each section contains 10 questions only. Type of questions are form filling or not completion, table completion, flowchart completion, summary completion, or map, diagram, plan, or multiple choice questions. And fill-ups. Fill-ups may be of different types, no more than 1 word, 2 word, 3 word, choose from the box, and small questions. Also, there is a flowchart or a process. Module is reading, which is for 9 bands, and the timing for this module is 60 minutes. 20 minutes for each passage is given. Total passages are 3 and question per passages are approximately 13 to 14. There are total 40 question, same as in the listening module. So there are different type of question in reading also. The first and the most important type is headings. In this, students have to match the headings with the paragraphs, and second is true false not given, third is yes no not given. Both are same, but you have to write what is mentioned in the instruction. And the fourth one is fill-ups, as same in the listening, no more than 1 word, 2 words, 3 or 4 words. And also there are further 2 types of fill-ups, like you have to choose from the text, and sometime you have to choose from the box given in the options. Another type of question is matchings. Then sixth, multiple choice questions. Seventh, small questions. Eighth, flow chart or summary completion. The third module is writing, which is most important, and mostly students think that this is the difficult module, and this is also for the 9 bands, and total timing is 60 minutes. It is divided into 2 tasks, task 1 and task 2. Task 1, basically it is related to graphs. You have to define, you have to elaborate those graphs and do comparison, and the timing for this task 1 is 20 minutes, and this is also for 9 bands, and word limit is 150 to 180. And another is task 2, in which you have to write a essay, which is for 40 minutes, and it is also for band 9. The word limit is 250 to 280 words. So it's up to the student how he or she can arrange his or her time. Like the total 60 minutes is given, so it's depend on you. You spend 15 minutes, 18 minutes on task 1 and the rest of the time on the task 2. There are different types of graphs in writing task 1, such as first is bar graph, second line graph, third is pie chart, fourth is table, fifth is process, sixth is flowchart, and seventh is map. And also I have given the picture of all these graphs so you can understand better. Basically, candidates have to do some contrast and comparison in all these graphs, and also sometime in the exam the combination of graphs will come, and you have to elaborate both of them, and you have to choose the basic or main features among them. Well, now next is writing task 2, in which there are different type of essays. They will ask you any kind of essay in your exam, and you just have to prepare all these kind of essay, different kind of essays. So first one is opinion essay, in which they will ask you for your own opinion, You have to discuss the matter which is given in the question. And the second one is discussion essay, which is also called both view essay, because it contains two views, two point of view of people. Like some people think that or some people think that, and you have to discuss to both the views, and after that you have to give your own opinion. And the third one is advantages and disadvantages, in which you have to give advantages of any particular topic or disadvantages of that topic. Next is reason and solution, causes and effects. Sometimes it is reasons and effects, or causes and solutions. So according to question, you just answer that and think the ideas related to that topic. Next type is direct questions, in which they will ask you or they will put you a direct question related to any particular matter, and you just have to answer that question. The last and fourth module is speaking, which is also for 9 band. It is just like a personal interview or face to face interaction, and the timing for this module is 8 to 14 minutes. Your speaking will be conducted in 3 parts. In part 1, the examiner will ask you some introductory questions related to your personal life, such as name, family, hometown, work, study, transport, etc. Your answer must be in 2 or 3 lines, otherwise your bands will be deducted. And the part 2, in part 2, the examiner will ask you for a cue card, which is maybe on any topic, and he or she will give you 1 minute for preparation, and for this purpose he or she will provide you paper or pencil. And after preparing your cue card, you have to speak continuously for 2 minutes. And the part 3, which is called discussion part, in which detailed questioning is done by the examiner related to the topic, which is also related to your cue card. And the answering length for this part should be in 3 to 5 lines. I hope it is clear now that what IELTS is, how many modules in IELTS, and what is the structure of each module. So thank you all of you for watching my videos. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for latest video notification, and please like and share to encourage me.